Nora and Tyler here from the Scare Factor. We just completed an escape room that we did not escape from, and it was very, very fun. We are in Champaign, Illinois. This particular escape room is in Urbana, Champaign. Tyler's going to show you its adventures in time and space.
It probably looks backwards to you guys, but
yeah,
that is what it is.
We just wanted to show it to you. They actually have 2 rooms right now, but one of them is closed, so we had to do their more difficult room. Difficult, yeah, definitely difficult.
It's pretty hard.
They normally suggest that 4 to, I think, 10 people complete the room, and it was just us 2, so he started out by actually giving us a few clues, unlocking a few things, and it still didn't help us. But the theme of the room was that we were locked in a cabin, we were out driving in the woods, and our VW Beetle broke down, and we needed gas. We ran out of gas. So the whole escape room was to find the gas can. And we were about 2 locks from the gas can. This is our, I think, 4th escape room.
4th or 5th, somewhere.
And this is our 2nd one that we've done in Champaign, and right now it is Escape Rooms 2, Tyler and Nora 0.
Yep.
So we wanted to let you know that we think that if you like doing the escape rooms, or if you think you want to try this escape room, it was actually a lot of fun. They have some impressive things in this room, some things we've never seen before. So if you're in the Champaign, Illinois area and you think this would be fun, we definitely give it a thumbs up. Over and out.